Out in this tiny little box, there is a weed whacker. We're going to try it out and see if it actually works. All right, a couple things to note here. Setup was fast and easy. It took about 5 minutes. Button on the back tells you how much battery you have. And this guy, if you press this little foot pad here, you can flip it to the side so you can use this for edging. So it has a little wheel on it, so we can run this thing and the line will trim the edges next to your pavement or whatever you want to do. So pretty cool there. So just step on it with your foot right there, and you can rotate the whole thing. And then the other thing you can do is press this button here and change the angle that this thing's sitting in relation with the ground for different sized people, different heights. So let's just try this thing and see if we can actually do some weed whacking. Oh, another thing I just noticed, it has a high mode and a low mode. So that's cool. So if you're up against fences or stuff, you might want to use low mode so you're not breaking your string as much, and high mode for heavier material. And the throttle has a safety that's ambidextrous, so you can use it with your left hand or your right hand. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, high mode and low mode, that's a really cool idea. Let's put this little handle out here. There we go. And get to whacking some weeds. All right, so this thing's worked out pretty good. Listen, it's not a professional tool that you're going to use for landscaping 12 hours a day. This is something you can use around your house. Hand it to your auntie, your grandma, your mom, your dad maybe if he's not a knucklehead, and they can use it. A couple cool things is there is this guide out here that you can either push in or pull out. This guide tells you how long your string is, about. It's a little longer than the string, just barely. So if this is touching something like a fence or whatever, the line won't hit the fence and screw it up. It was surprising how well this thing actually did. I was actually kind of shocked. And you don't have to bump the head to release the line. As you spin and release this head, it will slowly release more line on its own until it gets to this length. There's a little cutter on here that'll cut it off. So you don't have to worry about bumping this head anymore or grabbing it or twisting it or whatever. And you can see I was going through some pretty thick stuff with it. Let's try changing out one of these line heads real quick, and then we'll call it a day. So I think we just press in this green button. I didn't actually read the instructions, so you'll be finding out with me. So green button on either side, pull out the line. All right, then we take our new line spool, which is rewindable if we want. We're going to put it through the eyelet here. Great. And plug it in. And it does hold on to it for you, which is nice. And then we plug the top back on. So that's pretty easy for putting new line on. Not a problem at all. Overall, worked good. I even edged with it. I don't usually edge around here. And the edge looked pretty decent overall. So, yeah, seems like a decent thing you can gift to somebody who just needs a weed whacker, or gift yourself with if you need a little weed whacker.